Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is a super fast one. I just wanted to do this one. I was just doing videos on some of my other plants and then I noticed this one and I thought I'll just do a fast video because the growth is amazing. So the last video we did where we were just planting these into these little pods was 2 days ago. So that was March the 11th and here we are the 13th. So just 2 days later. Look at the growth, and I want to make sure I'm on camera here, and then we'll just give this a little bit of a spin. Look at this. This is amazing. So I am kind of glad that I'm doing this video because I did want to kind of lock this in so we can see the real progress of this thing. But look at that. Very, very impressive. So anyway, it's coming along really well. Let's just lift this out and let's check the root system and see. Look at that. Oh, we got some roots going on there. Very nice. So that's it. I've got to add maybe a tiny bit of nutrient. See, I've got my nutrient in here and I might as well just do it. So I just angle it down on the side and then I just give it a little bit of a squeeze. I just want to bring that level up a tiny bit. Love these little things right here. Got those on Amazon. I think that's good. Perfect. So I've just brought that level up just a tiny bit. So there we go. So that's it. So let's lock this one in. Today is March the 13th. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.